What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Long overdue update video here. Got a new place, new shop, new setup. Lots of exciting stuff been going on, and lots of I'm so rusty at this. Lots to update you on. So let's just start with walking around the shop. Let me get this turned around here. So, also new truck, which means new project. This is a 2001 Dodge Ram Cummins 2500. As you can see, got some sheet metal work to do on it. Probably do some videos on that in the coming weeks, months, however long. I got a little gouge to fix up there too. These things are hard to find up here in the Rust Belt, even in this good of condition. So just like with the Jeep, still got the Jeep. Got to do a lot of work on it too, but this is now my primary vehicle. So this is the large shop bay. The previous owner had it set up for painting. That's why you got sealed lights and everything tucked up into the overhead. Got a little installed or central vac type thing right there. Pedestal grinder, very nice. Drill press, very nice. It's got this secondary garage in the back here. I'm using it for material storage. One of the things I've been busy with is this project right here. I did a restoration on this. Didn't film it. I got pictures. I might do like a slideshow montage type deal. But this was a lot of fun to restore. Blanking right now on the year. It's a 70, 71, 72, something like that. This thing is awesome. Along with that is a snowblower that came with it. So I restored that as well. The rest in here is just materials and junk. That's the Sportster engine. Everything's a little bit trashy. This is kind of still in progress, getting this place set up. So, got a little working cart right there, workbench, toolbox stuff, and that's pretty much it for this part. This is just a really large bay area, big enough to fit this full-size truck and work around it. So that's nice. So moving on in through this door, there's Jasper. Hi, buddy. It's okay. It's just a camera. Oh, that's my shop dog. Oh, the camera's flipping out. Don't flip out. All right. Hang on. There we go. Hi, buddy. Hi. He is a red heeler, or Australian cattle dog. He's awesome. He's my shop dog. He lives out here in the shop. The house dog lives in the house with the family. So in here is just kind of like a little workshop area. Compressor came with the place. Neat. There's my X16 bang toys. I just got a new battery for it, so hopefully drone shots coming. But yeah, just some storage in here. Got my microwave and freezer and fridge set up, some cabinet space. But this is basically just where Jasper lives. So that's pretty much it for, central AC and heat. So year-round comfort in here. I can live in here pretty much. That is so awesome. All right, so moving on in here, got me a little movie theater set up. It's a little washed out right now because the lights are on, but I've always wanted to have a projector. And go up and see that theater setup. So with the wall space in here allowed me to do that. Got a Bluetooth speaker there for sound, for theater type sound, and it is a lot of fun. That's the old intro video just running on loop there. So that leads into the next part of the garage, where this is set up more for motorcycles. Normally I can park the Jeep right in this bay here and then just pull it out when it's movie time. Some more cabinet setup over here. Still trying to figure out the controls to this thing. The thing that you're riding on, that is. So yeah. The air compressor has a lead that goes over into this side, and then a lead goes over into the large bay over there. Getting my controls reversed. All right. So nothing much going on with this. You'll see the bike, FC07, still got it. I don't know if I've made a video since it's been painted black or not. When I originally started looking for this bike, actually, yeah, I think you would have seen this black, because when I did the custom fairing thing, I painted it the same color. Yeah, when I originally was looking for this bike, I was looking for the 2015 model with the liquid graphite and blue frame, and all I could get was a 2016 with the silver and the blue frame. So now I have my dark and blue colored bike. Anyways, I think I've said that in a video before. So moving on, I got storage tables over here for projects and parts and such. More parts, helmets, gobbledygook, and then underneath, what's up, Jasper? And then this baby over here is awesome. Remember the SP 600? Got a lift finally. It is so much better. It makes a huge difference. This is just one of the Harbor Freight ones. I know everybody replaces the wheel chock, the front wheel chock on these. I haven't done that. That's the one from Harbor Freight. But if you have the room to set up a bike lift, holy cow. World of difference from having to work down on your knees and work down on the ground. Getting everything up at a comfortable working height. Saves on the old knees and ankles and legs and whatnot. Got a little bit of a kind of a welding cart table set up. I need an actual legit welding table. And then one of the biggest additions over here, which I have a video filmed, I just need to edit it, of kind of unboxing and first initial, of the CT520 by Prime Weld. It is a combination TIG, stick, and plasma cutter. That's what the gas is for the TIG welding. But it is a plasma cutter, which the plasma cutter works great. TIG welder works great. It doesn't come with a foot pedal. If any of you are experienced in TIG welding, you know about the foot pedal or the zipper switch on the torch. This only comes with an on and off button on the torch itself. So you can get foot pedals for this. I will be getting one in the future. But so far, $400 3 process machine is awesome. Just gave me light years advancement in abilities in here. And you probably would have seen the welding cart before. Same one that I've had the MIG welder. That's the Chicago Electric Harbor Freight MIG welder. Had it set up on that for years. Just cut out the back actually with the plasma cutter to be able to put the bottle in there, and just split some rubber hose and line the edge there. But yeah, got some, just some supplies down there, some TIG rod down there for storage. There's the ground clamp, pretty decent, not the greatest, but decent ground clamp for one of these cheap Chinese welders. Not bad. You can see I've made some arcs and sparks on it, but very tight spring, and it's got the cable in there. So I'll edit the video of me getting the welder and unboxing it and whatnot, first initial impression, and then I will be doing a video later on down the line reviewing it more in depth than what I just did, but so far awesome. So more bike project videos coming in the future. I'm going to be kind of restoring this guy. Don't know. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I did when I was doing the series on this bike. This was a Craigslist find for, I think it was like $350 or something like that. It was kind of a junkyard special, no title on it. Went through the lost title process for Washington State, and I finally got the title for it. It's a 3-year process, so it wasn't easy. I've since found out of an easier way to do it, and I can talk about that in a later video. But I just wanted to kind of do an update video, let you know. So I'm not going to show you the house or anything. All the videos are going to be centered around the garage here. Oh, let me turn the lights off so you can see that projector screen better. It's going to get real dark here in a second. Bam. Ooh, that is real dark. I can't even see it very well. I'm just going to turn this light off from here too. So yeah, it actually looks a lot smaller than it is on the phone screen here. Excuse me. But I love it. It's pretty decent size. The screen size is almost as tall as me, because it starts about from 6 inches off the ground, and it's about head height for me. This is pretty cool with the projector on my face. Anyways, all right, let me turn this light back on. Probably can't see. All right, so yeah, that's a quick update. Moving to this place took a lot of time, a lot of effort, a lot of attention away from making videos. In my last video on Sink the Planet, I was commenting how, that's the last Sink the Planet, and that's kind of sad, but I've talked to a few people that did this last Sink the Planet just through, down below comments. Gosh, words. Down in comments about how a lot of people are still going to continue on their own. Me being one of them. So I'm going to keep that going, but I don't remember if I mentioned it in the video or not. I think I did. But what I was talking to a lot of other people about was how that, especially for me, Sink the Planet was really kind of an icebreaker to get me to start making videos, because the last few years, that would be like one of the first videos I'd made of the year. A lot of moving been going on in the last couple of years, so that really kickstarts the video making process. And that was my intention and plans for this place. When we found a new house, and this one we bought, the few videos I did in the last garage I was in, that was a rental from the Navy, which was a small little one-car garage. And so anyways, for one of the features we were looking for when we bought our next house was a much better shop setup. In addition, I didn't show you, you probably saw the ladder coming down from, probably can't hear for the AC on. The ladder coming down in the middle of that bay where the movie theater is, there's an actual upstairs to this place too. that's not really set up yet, so I'm not gonna show that yet. But that's gonna be like a little lounge up there, a little kind of man cave going in up there. So that's awesome too. But I'm so happy with this new place, so stoked. I don't know quite yet about the future. We're gonna have this place for a few years, but we do intend on moving again. I have to see what's going on with my career and everything. It's kind of transition is coming up. I'll just say that much. So seems like there's a whole lot more to catch up on. I know there is, but hopefully this will kind of break me back into making videos on a regular basis. I have, the more ability now to do that. So, you guys just kick me in the butt. Tell me in the comments to get moving, get another video out. I will get that video edited up for the welding machine. That'll probably be the next one out. I wanted to make this one kind of before I put that out because it's filmed here and it's, yeah, timelines. So I've got to get back into this. I'm so rusty. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.